Welcome to my Writesonic review usage experience. In this video, I'm going to share my detailed thoughts on Writesonic, an AI-powered writing tool that's quickly become a go-to for marketers, content creators, and business owners. You can find links to the product in the description below for easy access. Writesonic is designed to help anyone create high-quality content faster and more efficiently. It's perfect for bloggers, copywriters, digital marketers, and even social media managers looking to streamline their content production process. Whether you need blog posts, landing page copy, or social media captions, Writesonic is equipped with AI-driven templates that cater to a wide range of writing needs. One of the standout features is its variety of templates. Writesonic offers pre-built templates for articles, emails, product descriptions, ads, and more. These templates act as excellent starting points, allowing you to customize the content based on your specific needs. The AI ensures that the content it generates is both relevant and engaging, eliminating the need for constant rewriting or editing. Another impressive feature is its user-friendly interface. It's straightforward to use, even if you're new to AI writing tools. You simply input a few key details, such as your target audience or desired tone, and Writesonic takes care of the rest. The tool even allows you to refine the content with multiple iterations, giving you a final product that's tailored to your preferences. Writesonic also excels in SEO optimization. The AI generates SEO-friendly content that helps you rank better on search engines. This is particularly useful for bloggers or businesses looking to improve their online presence without spending hours on keyword research and content optimization. Overall, Writesonic is a powerful and efficient tool that's well worth considering if you need to produce high-quality content quickly. If you're looking to improve your content creation process, check out the links in the description below.